Friends, keep an eye on the left hand side. This is a very, very important monument for Geneva or Geneve. This is the monument which is dedicated to the mayor of Geneve. He was Mr. This is known as Brunswick Monument. This is known as Brunswick Monument. Mr. Brunswick was a very important person. Why? And why this particular beautiful monument which is dedicated to him? Because he got a lot of development. He was a very, very important. That's how he is regarded as an important person for this particular city. This particular rue or a road is known as Rue de Lausanne. Lausanne is another important city over here. You drive from here on this same rue or a road. You go around half an hour, 45 minutes, and you come across Lausanne, Lausanne. That's where the headquarters for the Olympic Association is. That's the reason this particular road is known as Rue de Lausanne. Keep an eye. These hotels are all 5-star plus hotels. All the top hotels on this particular rue or on the road. Rue or avenue or boulevard. Look at the trees on the right hand side. That's how the French designed their cities. Trees on both the sides, nicely trimmed. But here, look at the trees. That's how they maintain, and that's how the beautification of the city or the place is done that way. They take care. Further up on the left hand side, again a very, very important hotel known as President Hotel. It is named after President Wilson, the one who was instrumental in forming UN. Next building, next to the silver building over here on the left hand side, the glass building, next to that is the first UN office. This UN office doesn't exist. It is not functional. It is not operational. This is a UN initial office. Of course, the UN headquarters is on the 1st Avenue in Manhattan, right in front of Trump Tower. But that particular piece of land has been given by Rockefeller family to UN as on 99 years lease. That lease is going to end very soon. As you all are very well aware how the prices or how important a piece of land in Manhattan is. So probably UN will have to vacate that place. So that's how. But UN Geneva office, next traffic lights, we take a left turn. On the right hand side, WTO. On the left hand side, UNICEF. Then the next building is World Meteorological Organization. And then on the right hand side, the UN complex starts. This particular UN office is a very, very big office. And this is what is UNICEF on the left hand side. Behind these trees, yes. Yes, this is UNICEF on the left hand side. And next to UNICEF is World Meteorological Organization. And very soon now, on the right hand side, the UN complex starts. Look at this. This is what from here onwards now, it is UN. Look at this. And also keep an eye on the left hand side. You are going to come across a very, very important hotel. Something happened over here in this hotel on the left hand side. It pertains to the US president. Can you see this now? Look at that building. What it is written? It's written Intercontinental. Bill Clinton caught with Monica Lewinsky over here. On the right hand side, the opera or a theater. Further up on the left hand side, Red Cross on the hill. Perfect. Thank you. Right in front, Red Cross. And on the left hand side, the broken chair. This, it is written broken chair. I'm going to talk about that. There is work going on. There is a chair which is put up right in front of the UN entrance. What is that chair? It is known as a broken chair. You can Google it and you can see the picture. There are 3 legs of that chair intact. One leg is broken. It is a reminder to the UN officials that the people who stepped on the landmines and lost their limbs, they were innocent. Whatever the wars happened between the countries, but they were innocent people who lost their limbs. Please think of their medication. Think of their overall medical assistance.
यो चाहिँ स्विजरल्यान्डको जेनेभामा बासो बसेको होटल हो। होटलको बिस्तराको माथि भित्तामा पनि युएनको फ्रन्ट गेटको आर्ट गरेको रहेछ मजाले।